Well, hello again, all my fluid art friends. It's Doris at DF Designs. I had such great success by adding that pre-stain wood conditioner by Minwax. Just a couple drops into my cell activator, which my cell activator is just the 2 tablespoons of Floetrol, the American Floetrol, because there is a difference, obviously. I didn't realize this, but there is. So I had such great success. It's not dry and it's put away, so it's hard for me to show you. But that was yesterday's video. Today's video, I'm just going to do a real quick one on black. I just want to see how the black is going to work. So I'm going to do a black base, which is my Color Place. Let me read this right. Color Place interior paint. It is ready to use, and I got the pre-mixed color of black onyx, so that way you can go get the exact one, and it's like the cheapest one too. It's less than $16 a gallon. Okay, I'm going to pour my paint out in my pillow, and hopefully it stays thick enough. Okay, well, let me add just a little bit more in there, because I did some swipes with my black the other day. I don't know if I recorded that or not, though. That's a problem. I've done so many that I don't know which ones I have and have not recorded. But that one, unfortunately, is already sold, too, so it's going to be a little hard to show you that one. I think I got a picture up somewhere. Anyway, okay, so that is my Color Place. Now, let me see. I'm going to do some Ultramarine Blue. I want to keep it bright colors for this. You want your color to float on top. I used Tammy Anderson's recipe, and the pouring medium is 3 ounces base paint, high gloss enamel, ultra deep base. And then 1 ounce of the Minwax polyacrylic clear gloss, the water-based one, sorry. Okay, let me, I don't know how this is gonna look. Okay, I know I just had my makeup sponge, my makeup things out. Okay, I am going bonkers, so, oh, there they are. Jeez. Oh, my mom always said if I didn't have earwax in between my ears, my brains would fall out. And sometimes I think she's right. I'm sure your mom, everybody's mom said little things like that when they were younger. You know, she said that about me, but it's so funny. I used to be a 4.0 to 3.8 grade average. So, see, Mom, I was smarter than you thought I was. Okay. Let me do... I wanted to do some of this green and gold in there. I don't know how this is going to look, believe me. These are all golden fluid acrylics that I've mixed up with the pouring medium. Usually, because they're so highly pigmented, I only have to do 1 tablespoon of pouring medium to a half a teaspoon of paint, because they're so highly pigmented. Okay, now I'm going to put a little bit of gold on top of it, because I love gold. So, and this is the Iridescent Bright Gold Fine by Golden. The first color, let me go through them real quick, so I'll list them down below too. I first put on the Ultramarine Blue, then I put on the teal, then I put on the green gold, then I put on the iridescent bright gold fine. Now I am doing my black cell activator. I just want to get a little bit on top of it. I tried the hair dryer, and I need to find a hair dryer that is not quite as strong as mine is. So I'm going to have to do this by mouth again. I hate doing that because I'm not that great at it. I don't have the lung power. I guess I could pass that off to my age because I'm pushing 60. So, okay, let's see how I can get this blown out. Let me make sure it's on camera. You want to blow your colors across your pillow paint. You're blowing down and out. Wonder if I should have went with a lighter a white cell activator. I don't know if black with a black base is going to show up very well. But this is a learning process. Now you want to wait till it comes back up. Okay. See, I'm moving it, and I don't know if you can see it or not, but the middle's not moving all that well. You're kind of waiting to see when you blow straight down, you're kind of blowing it out. Wait a minute. I probably should have put white on there. Okay, now I'm going to tilt first down to one corner. Yep, there we go. Now the center's moving. I want to get it right over the edge. And then I'm going to take it to the other side. Okay. Then you want to bring it back towards the middle. Now I'm going to take it down to this corner. Didn't quite go over the corner, but now you want to bring it back towards the middle. See, my black got lost. So maybe I should try the white. Next time, try the white on the black. Because it doesn't look like I got any of the webbing that you really get with a bloom pour. I noticed I stuck my finger in a little bit of the black right there. So, and this corner doesn't look covered. And there's another corner that isn't covered. Let's see how you look. Yep, you look pretty good. Okay. I'm not happy with my cell activator. But I don't want to, I'm going to leave it like it is. So, and I know it's very, very hard to see the colors. So, I will try to do, when it's dry, I'll try to do some still pictures and put those at the end. So, tell me down in the comments what you think of these. I mean, I'm still learning how to do them. I'm not too happy with the black one. So, anyway, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. Tell me down in the comments what you think of these. Hit the little bell for the notifications so you'll be notified of all upcoming videos. I love the fluid arts right out of you guys. And all I can say is what my messy glove is. Bye for now.